Hello and welcome to my channel Online Money Logics. In my last video, I told you about making money from affiliate marketing. Today, I will tell you to consider affiliate marketing as a business person. It is a huge industry not only in America but also across the world. Size of this industry in America is over $6 billion. And global size of affiliate marketing is over $17 billion. So we need to understand that size and growth of this market gives us many opportunities to develop our online money-making business. Today, I will give you 8 steps to plan affiliate marketing model for your business to suit your business needs. It is not like any generic model that leaves you confused over what to do next. Follow the 8 steps of this video, and after working out the details, you will have the right plan for your business. All steps are important, but do watch out for the 8th step as it will help you stay on track of progress. Top of form. First step, target setting. First and the most important thing to do is to set your targets. You need to set 2 targets for yourself when you are going to start planning for affiliate marketing. Number 1, you need to have the target of total number of customers. Look into your business plan and see what was the target for the first year of your business operations. Can't find it there? No problem, it is high time that you set a target of your customers for the first year. Look for the size of market and customers. Then set a target for your business in the light of your production or supply capacity and market outreach strategy. Be very realistic in this target setting and don't give in to just your wish list. It is important to have big dreams and wishes, but you also need to have the right strategy to fulfill the big wishes. Once you have the target of your total customers for the first year, it is time to have the second target. You should set the target of customers that you want from affiliate marketing. Just be logical in defining the number of customers you want from affiliate marketing. Another way of dealing with this subject is to define the volume of revenue you want from affiliate marketing. So total number of customers or total volume of revenue from year 1 and then number of customers or volume of business from affiliate marketing. Now you have the 2 main targets, so it's time for the next step. Second step, competitor analysis. Who are your competitors and what you need to do to compete with them? I will help you find answers to these questions and you will have a clear picture of what need to be done for competition. First thing to do is to make a list of your business competitors. You can think of any business as your competitor, but the question remains about the logic of defining competitors. Answer questions like, which businesses have the largest share of the market? Which business have maximum share in my geographical area? Which business has the highest number of consumers in my target market? Once answered, you will have a narrow list of businesses whom you can call competitors. Your ideal businesses or companies will be different as they would be the market leaders. While doing the competitor analysis, also figure out the marketing strategies your competitors use. Search through their websites, look out on the internet and see around for all marketing avenues in your target market. It will help you understand their methods of marketing their products or services. According to Kinsta.com, 54% brand marketers rate affiliate marketing as one of their top 3 channels of customer acquisition. For the publishing sector, 62% of the publishers reported that e-commerce was one of the top sources of their revenue. We know that many businesses are using affiliate marketing with other traditional models of marketing. So, you can also try to find out about affiliate marketing of your competitors. From whatever information you can publicly get, just make a list of methods being used. Once you have some details, you can be confident that your competitor analysis is good enough to help you plan for marketing of your business. Till now you have set the targets and have understood your competitors. Third step, develop your value proposition, your USP. Third step is something that will help your business stand out in the market. It is time to develop the value proposition of your business. What value does your business offer to the consumers? What is so different about your services or products from other businesses? What is that special thing that your competitors lack but you can offer to your customers? Answers to these questions will make points for the value you are going to offer. And from here you can define your USP. USP is unique selling point, so if you want to be successful, you have to define your USP. Of course, you need to tell people about the special or different thing about your business. Again, like always, I will help you define your USP. Simply try to answer the following questions. Question number 1, is my product based on better research? Question number 2, is the price of my product better than my competitors in terms of product qualities? Third question would be about durability of the product. Is my product more durable? And fourth, you can ask yourself about the quality of your product. Is it better than your competitors? The final question you should ask is, what makes my product different from other products of the same category? My friends, I assure you that once you answer these questions, you will be in a far better position to boost your business. And this will also guide you about dealing with your affiliate marketers. You can translate your clarity about your business into better dealings with your affiliates. If you are not convinced about your value proposition, how can you convince others? Fourth step, payment structure. This brings me to the fourth step of considering affiliate marketing, and a very important one. Payment structure. How will you pay your affiliates? The step is simple, but you have to consider the different types of payment structures available and see what suits your business the best. First type of affiliate payment is pay-per-click. This pay-per-click is the most common one, and as the name suggests, reader clicking on the link entitles to payment. Second type of payment is the pay-per-action or pay-per-order. This type calls for actual sale taking place through the given link. Unless the target consumer makes a purchase, being called action here, you do not have to pay the marketer. Third type is the pay-per-impression, where potential consumer follows the path provided by the ad on website. It is similar to pay-per-click but follows a different route. Last one is the more comprehensive and larger solution provided by some marketers, as they have their own affiliate network. This one is called two-tier affiliate programs. So, which of these four seems more important for you? The answer can be different for your business according to the development stage and size of your business. If you are a new business or a growing one, you might want to pay for actual sales only. This will save you money, as conversion rate for clicks can be different, and most certainly it cannot be 100%. Actual sale taking place through an affiliate marketer will mean that you only pay some percentage of your sale price as commission. It's a win-win for everyone. But if you are an established business and have set aside sizable marketing budget, then you can consider other types of payments as well. Tipalti.com offers many research-based insights into payment structures and their insightful details. One important thing here is that COVID-19 affected many businesses worldwide and in America, but during the same time affiliate programs increased their revenues by 56%. Fifth step, network selection. How to select an affiliate network is the next important step. Many can think, why should I select a network? I can just do it all on my own. My advice to you for all times, do not try to do everything on your own. There is a cost of doing things, and apart from money, the cost includes your time and effort. Putting it all in may not get you the best of results. So, for affiliate marketing network and all other operations of your business, you can find smart solutions for your business needs. I will share with you some important points for selecting an affiliate network. A white paper by Attraction.com lists down 9 things to consider when selecting a network. I will quickly run you through 7 most important things. First thing is, do not pay any upstart fee or sign an agreement. It is all performance-based, so let the network get you customers and then you can pay them. Second thing is, do not avoid networks that are being used by your competitors. These networks know your target market and can help you grow your business. Third thing is to choose the right company. See what other companies work with this network, because you do not want to be stuck with companies of ill repute or just from the wrong sectors. Fourth thing is to look for quality. Don't be impressed with quantity of companies. Look for the quality and services they offer, and you can be very direct in asking them about it. Fifth thing I recommend to you is transparency of the network. See how open and transparent they are about their business practices. For number 6, ask about the system the network uses to track and report its progress. Is it open enough for you to get access? The more open, the better it is. At number 7 would be the customer support they can offer you. As a business, you need to have maximum customer support, so see which network can offer you the best service. 6th step, gaining affiliates. Identifying the best suited affiliates is another step in my guide. By now you have defined your targets and have gone through the networks. You have also selected a suitable network, but still there is room to gain more affiliate who can contribute to the growth of your business. ReferralRock.com reported experts on effective ways of gaining affiliates. Reaching out to niche bloggers can be very productive for business. Search through the bloggers for matching target audience and most definitely see for their outreach. Recommendations by bloggers can be helpful because of the trust their audience has in them. But to benefit from this, you will have to gain the trust of the bloggers. They can believe in your product, and you can also offer them good percentage of payment for their recommendation. Partnering with websites having similar audience can also be helpful. They may not offer the same product and may not be in the same sector, but target audience can be similar. You can also consider partnering with social media personalities and influencers. Identify the right ones and then approach them with your partnership proposal. Most important of all, you can invite your existing customers to be your affiliates. Just screen for the best ones in your opinion and make them a good business offer. With their satisfaction level, they can be very sure while marketing your business. 7th step, repute building with affiliates. The 7th one is very important because it helps you retain your affiliates and your business grows along with brand repute. You come up as a business that fulfills all its commitments in a timely manner and honors its affiliates. Real-time reporting on the progress of affiliates and due encouragement can help your repute a great deal. Build an efficient system to pass on the commissions and fulfill other commitments. All this should be done in a timely manner because delays will hurt your reputation. You need to be mindful of the progress of top performers. Gather case studies of success and share it with other affiliates. Try to find out ways to encourage networking among affiliates. See how can different affiliates collaborate on multiple forums to increase the outreach. It can also help with the conversion rate from the existing outreach. 8th step, design a review plan. It is this 8th step that will help you stay on the track of progress. You will have to review your progress on a regular basis. But what needs review and when should you review it? Answer these 2 questions and you will have your review plan ready. You can start your review with the total number of affiliates and the numbers they are achieving. Also see to their payments being made in time. Watch out for any feedback coming from affiliates or customers. These are just the basic indicators. Start with these, and as you progress you can add more to your list. Start your review from daily basis and make it to weekly review after the first 2 weeks. Or you can set your own frequency of review. But do take note of the actions you take after each review. It can all be satisfactory, or you may need a few actions in a few areas. Conclusion. So, this was the 8-step guide. I am 100% sure that if you follow these steps, you can make the right decision in selecting and designing an affiliate program for your business. Simply follow each step and give it proper time to work out details. After all, it is your business and we are talking about its growth. Give it the needed effort and add the results to your business plan. Good luck with your new affiliate marketing plan. Key highlights, figures, engagement STA top of form,